8th standard English. Today we are going to see the revision part. So already unit 1 we have read for the midterm test. So unit 2, that is, this is the unit 1 in your book, but in the class book you have written in the next. So no jewel lesson, we are going to see the revision part now. Okay, shall we go for the revision now? First one, why did the sparrow build the nest? The sparrow built the nest in a nice pot in the roof of Ramaya's house. Why did the bird drop diamond stud? The wife bird shouted at the male bird to go in search of food, so it dropped the diamond stud. What were the words of Meenakshi Ammal to her daughter? Meenakshi Ammal told her daughter not to tell her father about the last diamond nose stud. Who was suspected of stealing the diamond nose stud? The maid servant Kupai was suspected of stealing the diamond nose stud. Why did Ramaya's wife do with the stud? Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. What happened to Ramaya's wife? At the end, Ramaya's wife developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. Answer the following in 100 words. Why does the sparrow throw the nose jewel into the Ramaya's house? One day, male sparrow found a diamond nose jewel in a heap. He picked up and came to the nest with a shining stud in his beak and informed his wife about it. The female bird shouted at him and told him that the diamond jewel was not of any use to her. She asked the male sparrow to search food for their young ones. So the bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went out in search of little worms for the young ones. Explain how Ramaya's wife reacted when she saw the nose jewel. When Ramaya's wife was sweeping the floor, she found diamond's nose stud. She picked it up and delighted and wore it. Her husband told her that it was a mistake to keep the jewel. She did not bother about it. She knew that the jewel belonged to her neighbor's daughter, yet she did not reveal about it to anyone. The maidservant of the neighbor was suspected. The police searched her head but couldn't find it. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. Okay, this is the nose jewel lesson. Now we are going to see the poem from the poem, a paragraph from the special hero. So below that I have given the question answer. So that is the paragraph of special hero. So this is a very important paragraph. You can read well this paragraph. Write a paragraph on father's love as described in the poem. The poet describes her father's love in the poem. When she was a baby, he held her in her arms. She felt his love and kindness. She always kept her warm from harm. She saw his love for her in his eyes. She said that she was lucky that he had the dad chosen for her. There was something special about her father's love, and he was sent to her from heaven. She wanted to know that their love last forever. She also wanted to tell him he was her special hero. Now we'll go for the question and answers. Who is the speaker? The poet Christiana M. Christian is the speaker. Who is the special hero mentioned in the poem? Poet's father is the special hero mentioned in the poem. How did the child feel when it was held by its dad? The child felt the love and kindness of her father. She felt that she was safe from harm. Seems it was sent to me from someone placed up above. What do the above lines means? The above lines means that the poet's father is sent to her from heaven. What did the child want to tell his dad? The child wanted to tell her dad that he was her special hero. Work in pairs and answer the questions below. There is something special about the father's love. Identify the alliteration in the given lines. Alliteration is nothing but the first letter. Something special or the alliterated words in the given lines. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. See, me, love, above, no, so are the rhyming words. So now we are going to see the supplementary. So in the supplementary only the short answers are there and no paragraph. Where was Arun sitting? Arun was sitting on platform 8 at Ambala station. What was the expected time of train's arrival? Expected time of train's arrival was at 12 o'clock midnight. What were the sight Arun had seen on the platform? Arun saw a tide of people, the cries of various vendors and the newspaper boy. What did the vendors sell? Vendors sell some curds, lemons, sweet meat and newspaper. How did the woman appear? The woman had a pale face and dark eyes. She wore no jewels and was dressed very simple in a white saree. Where was Arun traveling to? Arun was traveling to his boarding school. What did woman buy for him? Woman bought samosas and jalebis. She also ordered tea for Arun. What was the advice of Satish mother? Satish mother advised Arun not to talk to strangers and to be very careful of them. What were Arun's last words? Arun's last words were goodbye, mother. What was reaction of the woman at the end? When Satish mother was talking, she did not listen to her, but she was looking at Arun as a train moved. Okay, children. So this is a unit 2. You can note down this and you can practice well for the examination. Thank you.